Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I am Kavita Bedi and today's video is a special one because it was actually requested by one of my viewers, username not human. Thank you so much for the request, and I'm sure many other students were waiting for this too. So let's dive in straight into the analysis of the CBSE Class 12 Psychology Sample Paper 25-26. So let's start with the discussion on the structure of the paper. The paper has a very systematic structure, my dear students. It is divided into 6 sections A to F. Section A has 14 questions of 1 marks each. Section B has 5 questions of 2 marks each. Section C has 4 questions of 3 marks each. Section D has 4 questions of 4 marks each. Section E has 2 long answer questions of 6 marks each. And finally, Section F consists of case-based questions where you apply concepts to real-life situations. Okay, so now let me discuss the weightage and the time. The total marks for the written paper are 70 with viva and practical, which would be your internal assessment by the external examiner. That is of 30 marks. You will have 3 hours to complete the paper of 70 marks. So for this, you need to follow proper time management. I will discuss with you how you should divide your time for section A, B, C, D, E, and F. See, for section A, which is MCQs and the 1 marker question, you can give 10 minutes. For section B, which is 2 marker section, you can give 10 to 12 minutes. Section C, you can devote 15 to 20 minutes. Section D, you can devote 20 to 25 minutes. And section E, which is having 2 6 marker questions, you can devote 30 minutes, 15 minutes to each question. And section F, 15 minutes, and 5 minutes you keep for revision and underlining of the keywords and everything, so that you are able to secure 100% marks. So for this, strategic timing is very crucial. So you have to allocate the time smartly across various sections as I had explained. This will ensure that you do not get stuck and leave any section unattended. Okay, so now dear students, try to understand that your psychology paper over the years has been moderately difficult. And you know the pattern of the paper has changed. That is, 50% of the paper will be based on the remembering and understanding, and 50% would be competency based questions. So anyhow, if I tell you this year's sample paper, it has a balanced mix of difficulty levels. Some questions are straightforward, others they require application, and a few are slightly challenging. The biggest focus is on application-based questions and case study. So it's not just about memorization. It's about understanding concept and applying them. As you know, CBSE is now focusing its attention only on understanding and not rote learning. And maybe now the next batches might even go in for open book examination. That would be in future, of course. Okay, so now let me give you few tips to attempt the paper. Of course, you should make use of the reading time very nicely. Read all the questions carefully. Think over which questions you will be attempting if you have some options with you. Apart from this, how you should present your answers. Presentation gives you 2% more than the child who is writing in paragraph. Do not write the answers in paragraph. Now that is the old way of writing the answers. Use bullet points, subheadings, or even present your answer in a flow chart. That is going to fetch you more marks. Highlight the key terms and read the case studies very nicely and try to write the examples in the case studies wherever you are asked. Okay, so that was the analysis of the sample paper 25-26, and in the next video I'm going to cover in detail each and every question. Maybe I prepare one video for section 1 and the other video for the other sections if required. So you all should, if you feel that my videos are helping you in any way, do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.